A very good morning class 10. Today I will start step deviation method. Okay, so in previous classes you have already learned how to find the mean by step deviation, shortcut method and direct method. So today you will learn step deviation method. So we'll start from question number 3. This question is already solved by shortcut method. So today you will solve the same question by step deviation method. So here you have to write marks, mid value, frequency, D. Okay, like shortcut method only. These 4 columns will remain same for shortcut and step deviation. So marks you have to write, frequency is given. We have to find mid value x, mid value of 30 and 40. 30 plus 40, 70. Half of 70 is 35. So 40 plus 40 to 50. 40 plus 50, 90. Half of 90 is 45. Similarly, okay, then 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So frequency is already given. This is in the middle. So this is assumed mean. So D is deviation. So you know how to find D. Assumed mean is 65. So 35 minus 65 is minus 30. 45 minus 65 is minus 20. 55 minus 65 is minus 10. 65 minus 65 0. 75 minus 65 10. 85 minus 65 20. 95 minus 65 30. So here we have to find T. Okay, this is the only new calculation for you in step deviation. Till here you have already done in shortcut method. So only in step deviation we have to find T, and T is D divided by I. I is length of class or class size. So here you have to check what is the length of class size. 10, difference of 10. So class size is 10. Okay, so this value of D will be divided by 10. So minus 30 divided by 10, minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1, 0 by 10, 0, 10 by 10, 1, 20 by 10, 2, 30 by 10, 3. So here we have to find F into T. So F into T, 10 into minus 3, minus 30, 12 into minus 2, minus 24, 14 into minus 1, minus 14, 12 into 0, 0, 9 into 1, 9, 7 into 2, 14, 6 into 3, 18. So first you add this negative numbers, minus 68 and positive 41. So these two numbers will be subtracted. Okay, so minus 68 plus 41 is minus 27. Summation FT. So here you will find summation F, which is 70. Okay, now here formula is mean is equal to AM plus summation FT divided by summation F into I. So AM is 65 plus summation FT is minus 27, summation F is 70 into 10. So plus into minus, minus, so 0, 0 cancel, 27 by 7, 3.85. So which is 61.15. So same answer we got in shortcut method also. Now next is question number 4. Find mean by step deviation method. So here is the question. Okay, so we have to make 6 columns. Okay, class interval, mid value, frequency, D, T and F into T. So class interval is given. You have to find mid value. So 63 plus 70, 133 divided by 2, 66.5. Similarly, 70 plus 77 is 147 divided by 2, 73.5. Then you will get 80.5. Okay, or you can check here. Okay, the difference is 7. No, difference of 7. So if here is 73, here will be 80, then 87, 94, like that also you can do. Okay, so here is the difference of 7 because class length is 7. So here also you will get the difference of 7. Frequency is already given. Now we have to find D. Okay, so this is assumed mean. So x minus 87.5. So 66.5 minus 87.5 minus 21. 73.5 minus 87.5 minus 14. Then 80.5 minus 87.5 minus 7. 0. Then you will get 7, 14, 21. So your class length is 7, difference of 7, 70 minus 63, 7. So difference is 7. So minus 21 divided by 7, minus 3. Here minus 2, minus 1, 0, 7 by 7, 1, 14 by 7, 2, 21 by 7, 3. So f into t, 9 into minus 3, minus 27, 13 into minus 2, minus 26, 27 into minus 1, minus 27, 38 into 0, 0, 32 into 1, 32, 16 into 2, 32, 15 into 3, 45. Add this negative numbers which is minus 80 and positive 109. So on subtraction you will get 29, which is positive because greater number is positive. So summation f you will get 150. So same formula you use, mean is equal to am plus summation ft by summation f into I. So assume mean is 87.5 plus summation ft is 29, summation f 150 into 7. So multiply this two, you will get 203 by 150. First you simplify, you will get 1.35. So on addition you will get 88.85. Now we'll do question number 5. Okay, the mean of following frequency distribution is 21 1 by 7. Find the value of f. So here in this question, okay, mean is given 21 1 by 7. So here f is unknown. We need to find the value of f. So whenever the question is to find the value of variable, always use direct method. Since here the method is not mentioned, okay, so you can use any method, but direct method is easy. So every time you will use direct method to find these variables. So class interval is given, frequency, then mid value you can find, okay. After that you know f into x you have to find in direct method. Next is see here, when you add this, okay, you cannot add f, so you have to write here plus f, and you have to add only numbers. Then here 35 plus f will be here because we cannot add with the numbers. And according to question, mean is given. So mean is 21 1 by 7, and you know formula is summation fx by summation f is equal to, convert this mixed fraction into improper, okay, then you will get summation fx value is 1235 plus 35f, and summation f is 63 plus f is equal to 148 by 7. Do cross multiplication. Okay, do cross multiplication, then after that you keep f one side, number other side, so value of f will be 7. Question number 9. The mean of the following distribution is 62.8. Your mean is given 62.8, and the sum of all the frequencies means summation f is given 50. Find the missing frequencies f1 and f2. So here we have two variables f1 and f2. So we will get two equations. Okay, if there are two variables, we will get two equations to solve. So here is the question. Next we will solve by direct method. We have to make class, then mid value x, frequency f into x. Then you find this mid value, okay, mid value you know how to find, then frequency is given, then f into x. So when you add, you cannot add f1 and f2 with numbers, so 30 plus f1 plus f2. Similarly add 50, 500, 630, 880, okay, then write 30 f1 plus 70 f2. So next it is given, summation f is given 50. So summation f is 30 plus f1 plus f2 is given 50. So f1 plus f2 is 50 minus 30, which is 20. This is equation 1. Now mean is given 62.8. So formula is summation fx by summation f. So summation fx, its formula value is this one. In place of summation f, we will directly write 50. Okay. Then we can cancel 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50. Now do cross multiplication. Okay, after doing cross multiplication, keep f1 f2 one side, number other side. So this is equation 2. Now we will solve equation 1 and 2. So solving equation 1 and 2. Okay, when you solve, okay, we have to eliminate one variables, right? So we will eliminate f1. So we have to make same. So with this 3 you will multiply equation 1. So when you multiply 3f1 you will get. So change sign here. It will cancel out. So 3f2 minus 7f2 minus 4f2 is equal to minus 48. Minus cancel. f2 is equal to 12. Okay, so put this value of f2 in equation 1. So you will get f1 is equal to 8. So f1 is 8, f2 is 12.